right? In this video, once again, I am explaining Apache Superset. The main reason, I think I already shared this Apache Superset video around Insta Reels and around one and a half year back. But most of the members said it's not working in my system. What should I do? Something. They are many things. That's why one more time I'm sharing this. One more time I'm sharing this. Okay. Usually, Apache Superset is not well stable. Still, it is incubating. Still, it is upgrading. For example, earlier when I'm explaining at that time 1.3 version using, but nowadays almost 2.x also came into picture. 2.x is next generation, very powerful. Okay, in this scenario, you must almost same, but a little bit you must modify that. That's why what are you doing? My recommendation. Okay. Create one more EC2. I think you know all these routine activities. Okay, maybe superset. Okay, maybe go to Ubuntu. Ubuntu. My recommendation. I think it's fine. Okay, like that. Create. Minimum 10 GB recommendable. Hard disk, I mean storage. Like that. Upgrading that version. Okay. Ubuntu. Today date, it is around June 25th, 2023. June. Maybe if they after 1 year, maybe one more version came into picture. Maybe 3.x. Now 2.x using. In case 3.x means maybe it's not working, I think. Based on the version, we want to change. The main reason Apache Superset is not well stable like a PySpark, but like Spark. Still it is incubating mode. In not incubating mode, still it is under progress. Okay, that's why first step, take this. Okay, maybe, and then if you want a referencing purpose, I'm sharing one documentation also. Please follow the documentation. Okay, here Apache Superset. What is this? First step, almost same. First step before that, connect that. Go to connect. Either use putty or either use command prompt, normal command prompt, and copy paste this, or either use putty, anything it's fine, and enter yes. Okay. First step, sudo apt update. This is fundamental step. If you want, just to follow this documentation. Of course, all this documentation, 100% I got it from Apache Superset install from scratch. Like that, if you Google it, you will get that. Okay, maybe Ubuntu here, 2.04. Of course, last time also same. Okay, copy that. That's only I have here. Okay, almost same. So copy that. After sudo apt update, next enter this command. Enter Y. Next, maybe it will take little time. Pip install is the optional, of course. In this website also they mention same. It is for Mac. It's for other softwares. Okay. Next, what happened? This is pip install. Okay, not too powerful. Okay. Just you are upgrading. That's it. Then what happened? Python environment. That's very important. Python virtual machine. Okay. That virtual machine only you are installing all these things. Maybe this step it will take a lot of time. Wait a bit. It's very simple. Okay. If I think recent version getting like this, don't worry. Just hit enter. That's it. Okay. Next, upgrade this one. Ignore. That's not a matter. Okay. Next, virtual environment. That's very important. Okay. Next, virtual environment you execute. This is your wish. It's optional. Next, I think this is recommendable, especially you want to connect either Microsoft SQL, for example, get the data from MySQL and visualize that data. In this scenario, what happened? These extra dependencies highly recommendable. It's not mandatory. It's a highly recommendable. Okay. One by one. If you copy paste, that's good. Okay. Install pkg. Okay. Similarly, you are installing MySQL clients like that. What is the use of this? I will guide you later after 10 minutes. Similarly, other softwares, but it will take a lot of time to install all these things. Okay. So you can install later also. That's not creating any problem. Okay. Next. Copy this. This is why I think I am using latest this version only, Python 10. That's why I'm using this. Next, you are creating one virtual environment. Ignore that. Okay. Of course, everything here virtual environment. After virtual environment, this one. After that, this one. Okay, you know, everything same. Okay. Next, here, what is this? You are creating one virtual machine. That virtual machine name is called venv. Okay. Enter that. Virtual environment. After that, what next? Simple, activate that. Activated. After that, what next? Here, either that one, this one, no need. Next, Apache Superset. Simple, okay? Apache Superset. Here, 2.1 version you are using, latest version. But earlier in my previous video, that is 1.3, little old. Okay. Up here, sometime directly if I execute this one, most of the cases will get errors. That's why my recommendation it is activated. After activate, this is highly stable, one.x. But if you don't want this, ignore. Okay. Similarly, pandas numpy also highly recommendable. In case if you have, okay. If no, I recommend install that software also. Okay. Next, Apache Superset just now executed. Next, most of the cases, this latest version getting errors because of these two dependencies. That's why please install these two as well. Otherwise, most of the cases after not now, after some time you get errors. Okay, that's why what are you doing? I recommend install pandas also. Pandas numpy. Next. Okay. Please install one by one. Okay. Next. Successfully installed. Next. Successfully installed. Sorry. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this is completed. Next. Execute that. Next. This is not mandatory right now. You can do that one later also. Okay. I don't recommend, even if you are doing it right now, it's not working. My recommendation, do it this around here. Okay. This is completed. Okay. Next, what happened? Next, if you enter these, most of the cases you will get errors. Most of the cases you will get errors. Okay, why? Let me explain. If you execute this, what happened? Okay, enter your details. What is that username? Username may be admin. First name Venu, MSSI, Venu, MSSI @gmail.com. Password. Please note these credentials you have to use in future also, later. But if you enter this, most of the cases you will get errors. What is that? Not errors. Hello, if this is a warning due to this security issue is not working. Okay, this is latest version got this one. What is this meaning? Highly secureable it is in the latest version. That's why security purpose, please execute this command. They suggested warning. They suggested enter. At the time, what happened? You got it one number. Note it, right click, note it. Here you will get like this. At the time, what happened? Maybe this is, hold it, if you execute that. Okay. If you get like this, execute this command. Yes, I did. You got it, this coupon. Then what happened? Please modify this one. Please modify this one. If you modify this, go to 195. If you don't know what if you don't where is the number, here right hand side, that is showing 150 number it is. So around 190, 95 here. What it is? Security key. Here, what it is? 195. Here they clearly mention, hello, there is a security credentials required. So please go to that configuration file. In that configuration file, please overwrite it. Otherwise, it's creating problem. So just now you got it something port number, something SSH number. Copy that and overwrite the security key. That's why what are you doing? Secure SECRET secret key is equal double quotes, just paste that. Okay. Then above, I don't recommend to delete, just comment that. That's it. Okay. Then what happened? 95% without any security is connecting. Security issues is connecting. That's why modify this. Don't forget. That is a change latest version. Then only if you upgrade it, then it's working fine. Then only it's working fine. Okay. So upgrade. Okay. Then of course, this website also next step same upgrade. Don't forget to execute that one. Here, most of the members getting errors. Okay. After that, what happened? After this, between these two steps, you have to execute all these things. Modifiers at that time without any security problem is connecting fine. Okay, then super init. It is also somewhere you have this one. Okay. After upgrade, then only please enter like this. They clearly mention. Okay. Next, what happened? Execute this one. Of course, 5 minutes back also you did same. Next, please create one. That's not a matter. Execute this one. That means you are loading different examples. That's why. Next, execute this one. What is this meaning? It's loading World Bank, health organization, etc. If you want, in college days, if you want to submit something, population, something, POCs, I think this is one of the best. World Bank data also is loading. Okay. That's why you are loading load bank. And this one means many examples by default loading. Okay. That's why after that, if you want to try, my recommendation after this init, then if you execute this, that is good approach. Okay, now it's working. What is this meaning? It is loading different things. Okay, next init. Then after that, of course, I did same step. Load this data. Okay, init. Okay, upgrade this data. Then init. Then load this data. Then I recommend it now create this. Okay. Okay, half an hour back got a small warnings. Is not created. It's not stored. So now create. Okay. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now password is changed. Congrats, admin created. Okay, created. Then what next? I recommend go to EC2, add 4080. Don't forget, this is what is the next step? Go to EC2, add this port number. That means go to EC2 server. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Go to EC2. Go to this EC2. Go to this it is go to this EC2. Here, please check. I already, as of now, these 3 ports added. Okay, if you want to add, okay, go to click that security group, go to edit in boundary. Okay, here port number 8088. Anyone can access like that, grant that privileges. Okay, then save that. Okay, I am completed. Then what next? Either execute this command. Most of the cases it's working. If not working, what is this? This is also fine. What is this? It's a private. I am private host. Private host means I think you created one EC2 computer, you know. This is in that EC2 computer here, private DNS. What is that? Click that. Click that. Okay. Okay. How? This one, private IP number. Replace that. Go, don't forget that. Otherwise, one more alternative way also. What is that? Instead of all this large URL host, I think like this. This is also fine. I'm not saying this is correct. This is good. Anything, it's fine. Okay, preferably this one. Host name. Copy that. Okay. Enter that. If you enter, then please check running something. It's working fine. Okay. Don't worry. If usually if you get like this something pin number means 100% is working fine. Fine. 100% sure. In this scenario, what are you doing? Go to EMR. Here you have public IP number, you know. Copy that. Control T. Here 8088. Now automatically you will get this. What are the credentials? 5 minutes back I created. Admin followed by. If you lost this, is a little headache to create. So be careful. Okay. Now you are able to log in. Okay. At the time, what happened? This is your account. Now you can do it anything. Recently, small things changed everything. Okay, here, for example, dashboards. Okay, if you want to connect anything, for example, dashboard. Okay, if you want to create any new things. Okay, create this. Okay, here different data sets you have. Okay, maybe sample data sets already by default available. Okay, already different data sets you have. Okay, click that and different type of things. Similarly, if you want to connect Oracle, I want to run SQL queries, etc. Here one more. Okay, here different databases available. If you want to connect to Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL, it will support. Otherwise, click here data. Here upload database not supported. Why? In my next videos I will guide you. Okay, create a data and connect database. By default, PostgreSQL it will support. Okay, if you want to connect any other things, you must install appropriate plugin. Okay, otherwise click here, different users, different. As of now, I'm only created. If you want, create one more and assign. That's not a problem. It is also possible. Okay, next role and similarly database connection. What it is? By default, these SQL things available. I like a Hive backend using DB or MySQL database. You know, same way this is also. Okay, same way this is also. This is one database. Okay, that is by default SQL like. It will support different things. For example, in this database, if you want to upload that normal data, it's not working. It's not supported. For example, click here. Not here. Wait. Here data sets. Okay. Here I want to upload something data. Import data set. Okay. Select a file. At the time, if you upload something data, it's not working. Why? The main reason in the database it's not allowed. Why? Okay, otherwise anything, not only here, maybe plus symbol. Okay, here connected database. This is okay, but upload here, please check. Upload database is not working. Why? Internally, if you check things, you must change. I will guide you that one, all these things. Why allow files? It is not allowed. Why? The main reason here, connected database connection here, CSV is disabled. If you want to modify here, edit here. If you scroll down, here advanced you have. In that advanced security you have. In that security, what happened? Allow to this one. If you allow this, then only it is possible to upload. Otherwise, it's not possible to upload. Okay, like that you are choosing appropriate options. Then click, but it's not working. Why? It is a default. You have to change many things. The main reason these 2.x mainly best suitable to improve the security purpose. That's why in my next video I will guide you these Apache Superset and other use cases, how to visualize all these things. If you want, don't worry, this documentation I will share everything. Okay, and also if you want to do it everything, Python 3.9 is working. Python 9 also working, but 10 anything it's fine. What is this syntax? Just if you want to change your Python version 9 at the time you are using. Similarly, common errors. What is this? Okay, all these things step by step I will guide you. Okay, fine. If you have any doubts, please comment below. One more thing, this is also maybe in future is not working. Next 1 year, maybe 2.x is working, I think. In case any 3.x given later, maybe it's not working. At the time, I will share one more video. Okay, fine. In future, I will share my different type of superset, snowflake, airflow, and this type of next generation technology. If you want such video, just follow this my channel. Okay, of course, same way around 1 year back, September 3rd means around 10 months back, sorry, 20 months back I uploaded. Within another okay, I will share same way. Okay, this documentation I will share everything, just to follow that. Okay, if you have any doubts, comment below. I will try my best to answer. Okay, thank you very much.